I just caught a warmouth out of my pond. It's pretty cool. Warmouths, I usually don't catch them. There ain't many in here. And I caught him on this little yellow grub right here. It kind of looks like a frog. I mean, this thing looks awesome. It's just a super awesome fish. Awesome colors. Its mouth is big. It's really cool. Let him go. We're good. Look. Let him go. Alright, I got one on a fishing. I'm by myself, so sorry if this is a bad camera view. Oh, yeah, come on. Here we go. Ooh. Here's a decent sized bass. Code is Texas rig. And let's get the hook out, then we'll weigh it on a scale. Oh, come on. Trying to set up the camera in a good spot so you can see it. Ooh, he's hooked good. Alright, well here is the fish. I'll stop it and start it when I'm weighing it on the scale. I'm weighing my fish right now. He's not even a pound, he's 0.70. It's not even that big of a fish, but it's the only fish I could get at this pond so far today. Get a good weigh on. I mean, he's decent. He's not that heavy, but he's a good bass. Fishing all day, 31 online tournament, code Texas rig.